welcome to my channel. I am Lebisi, also known as Tswanabi, and welcome to my channel where we do our projects, do it yourself projects. So today specifically in this video we will be doing a basket and a bag using recycled things. So I'm going to just be recycling my hat that no longer suit my style, and a box and some material that I used to make satin bonnets with, but are just pieces now, and a box. This is just a base for the bag. So, and a rope and hot gun glue, my favorite thing. Yeah, and a pair of scissors, cutting tools. Yeah, that's most of it, and beads. So we're just gonna make a I don't know if I can call it a bohem bag and a basket, but it's gonna be cool and nice.
Drip, 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 drip.
Honestly, I'm not been talking too much because you need to watch for you to see what's going on. See what's going on.
Johnson.
Okay, I am done putting all these on the circumference. Now I'm going to go across with this one, just across the whole box as well. So this is how we're going to do it. Here at this end, this is where we're gonna start our thing. So we're gonna just put the hot glue here, not hot gun, hot glue here, and then we will just put our thing. Then we start going across. This is what we're going to do. This one will just be down there, and then this one needs to be up. This is how we're going to do it. You see? You get the point? This one goes there, and this one just across like this. It's really going to be tricky, but this is what we're going to be doing. The other one we put it in the inside, and the other one we put it on top, just like that, across the whole thing. I should start saying something. The ones that were at the top now are gonna be at the bottom, just like that. We're just gonna go the circumference of the whole box, repeating what we was doing, but this time around the ones that were on the top are going to go to the bottom, just like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. See? We are going to repeat this until we are here. So
A few minutes later.
This is towards the end, it's the last row. So you just have to glue it here where you're starting so that it can hold, because if you don't, it's gonna slip through like this over, and then you know what I'm trying to say. So I'll just be pressing it because I've already glued it there. Just be pressing, pulling like this so that the rows will be tight. Yeah, but otherwise I'm just gonna be doing the same thing, but tightening it, like pulling these ones so they can be tight like this, and then where necessary I have to push these ones down just like this. Get something, you can even just use your fingernails just to push them down while you're pulling these ones. So yeah, so we can have a flat surface of, see. So yeah, this is what we're just gonna be doing. This is the end of the row, so I'm just going to glue it here. Put a hot gun, glue there, and then I just glue this beneath these ones so that it can hide its like that. And then I'm going to use my scissors just to cut this edge here and put some more of this glue here, and then just cover it with this top like this. So this is the part where we are gonna do the inside so that we can remove these things. We're just going to put that glue and glue the edges down like this inside before we cut them, because we're gonna cut them. So this is what we do. Like this. Hot gun glue. Hot glue. Put them down. So. We have laid down and glued them down here, so now we're just going to cut them short like this. For the base, I'm gonna use this material. I don't really know what it's called, but this is for the inside so it can look clean. So I'm just gonna measure it and glue it inside. Now we've covered the bottom, we've covered the inside. This is how it looks, all snatched and all that. So this is also from the head, so I'm just gonna wrap it around like this just for decoration's sake, so that it can look like this. So yeah, let's just do it. Project is a bag. This is a small bag, and you know. So this is what we're gonna be using, the satin cloth, and this is just the base So we're just gonna use this as a base. Hot gun glue, of course, and the rope. So we first start by, we're gonna hot gun glue everything. So we just start by